So in this video I will show you how to construct a wireless power transmission project work for school kids. So this circuit is going to have two parts. One is called as this is receiver. So this is nothing but receiver. This receiver is going to have a circular wire winding which has nearly 60 turns, so which is connected to a red color LED. And the another part of this project work, that is important section, the part of this project is this one, which is called as transmitting element. So this is nothing but receiver and this is nothing but transmitter. So here also the transmitter is going to be a circular wire winding which is divided into two equal parts. So one part is going to have, one part has 30 windings and the remaining part has 30 windings. Okay, so which is nothing but you can say it is center tap. So exactly the center terminal, so this is nothing but the center terminal, so which is connected to battery positive. Okay, so this is nothing but battery positive, so connected to battery positive through a resistor of 1 kilo, so through a switch. And one end of this coil is connected to collector of the transistor, and the other end of this coil is connected to base of the transistor. So presently here I am making the use of 9 volts of battery. So if you directly connect this 9 volts of battery, that can heat up the transistor, thereby there may be a damaging of transistor. So that can be minimized by connecting a resistor to the base of the transistor. So here I have connected a resistor of 1.2 kilo ohms, okay, which is connected to the base of the transistor. Okay, moreover, in order to decrease the voltage, limit the voltage, because here I have taken a fresh new battery 9 volts. So here I have connected again a series resistor. So 9 volts resistor, in which some amount of voltage will be appearing at this resistor and remaining will be directly given to the transistor. So at the end of this video I will show you the circuit diagram. So this is nothing but, you can see, power off mode, and this is nothing but the receiver. So I am going to power on the circuit. So now the circuit is powered on. So I am going to place the coil receiver very close to the transmitter. You can see there is a glowing. So you can see there is no direct contact between these two coils, even though the LED in the receiver is going to be glowing. Nothing but there is a transformation, there is a propagation of electrical power supply. So that is called as a wireless power transmission. Okay, so the amount of electrical power is transmitted to this receiver, that depends on the number of wire windings we have taken and the amount of current flowing through the primary coil, nothing but this coil. Okay, so the basic principle of this experiment is electromagnetic induction. So whenever there is a flow of current through this coil, so it will generate a magnetic field. Okay, so that is called as electromagnetic induction. More particularly, you can say it is nothing but mutual inductance, because when there is a flow of current through this coil, it is going to generate a magnetic field. This magnetic field is going to induce EMF in the nearby coil. So that's why there is a glowing of the LED. Okay, so this is nothing but a simple project for school students. So it also depends on the distance, because the magnetic field value is going to be varying as a function of distance. So if it is very close, then glowing is maximum. If it is increasing, the distance is increasing, so LED brightness is going to be changing, because the magnetic field is a function of distance. Okay, thank you.